Now the first thing that's going to help us in this question is a diagram. And the angle of inclination from one side is 47 degrees and the other is 58 degrees. So this is a very odd shaped looking roof. Yeah. So what you're also given that the base from A to C, point A to point C, is 8.3 meters. So what we're going to do now is determine information that we're not given in this question. And the first thing we know is that angle ABC, so angle ABC, so this angle here is going to be equal to 180 degrees, which is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle minus the two other interior angles. So we're going to subtract 47 and 58 from 180 and we get 75 degrees. So that means that angle ABC is 75 degrees. So this full angle from this side to this side is 75 degrees. Well, now we have an angle and the corresponding side. And remember that this is an oblique triangle. Whenever we have an angle and a corresponding side, then we can find, and also another angle measure, we can find angle side C, or we could also find side A using sine law. So what we're going to do is find side A using sine law. So A is our unknown. Angle A is 47 degrees. B is the side opposite angle B, which is 8.3 meters, and that's the distance from point A to C, or the base of our roof truss. And angle B is the 75 degrees. Next, what we have to do is solve for A. So we have to multiply both sides by sine of 47. And we get A is equal to sine 47 times 8 over 3 divided by sine 75. And that's approximately equal to 6.284 meters. So we can label this side. And remember, we have to find the height of the truss. So what we can do now is make use of the primary trig ratio because we have a right triangle, triangle A, and this point where this intersects is point D. So for triangle BDC, which is a right triangle, we know that sine of angle C is opposite over hypotenuse. And our opposite side here is the height of the triangle. Don't confuse that h with the hypotenuse. This means the height of the triangle. So h is the opposite side for angle C, and for angle C, the hypotenuse is side A. So we're going to sub in now. Angle C is 58 degrees. As I said before, h is the opposite side. Our hypotenuse is A, or the 6.284 meters. Now we're going to solve for h by multiplying both sides by 6.284. And we get h is equal to 6.284 times sine 58. So h is approximately equal to 5.33 meters. So the height of our roof truss then is approximately 5.33 meters, or 5 meters and 33 centimeters. Now in this question, we're going to review some skills here, sine law, cosine law, and what I'd like you to do is solve triangle ABC. And what that means is find all missing side lengths and angle measures. So we're given 2 side length measures and 1 angle measure. What I'd like you to do is find the other side length and the other 2 angle measures using trig.